channel, and I hope everything is going great with you all. And as I promised, I will be back with my Rakhi special. So today I am back with my Rakhi special, and let's get into the video without wasting any time further. So let's get ready for the Rakhi. So first thing first, that is the moisturizer, and the moisturizer today I am using is the chia seed moisturizer from the Face Shop. It's a clear gel moisturizer and it's great for oily skin, and I have the oily skin, so yeah, just look it does not have any fragrance in it. So now the moisturization is done, and let's move to the eye makeup first, as if there would be any fallout, so that we can rectify it while doing our base makeup. So yeah, let's move to the eye makeup. For that, I'm using the NYX concealer HD photogenic concealer all over my eyelids, so that it will prime my eyelids and make it ready for the eyeshadow. So to blend my concealer, I'm using here the beauty blender that I bought from Miniso from Delhi, and this is the first time I'm using it, and it's kind of first time use slash the review kind. So yeah. And yeah, to set my concealer, I'm using the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade light medium, and again I'm applying it with my Fit Beauty blender. Oops, my camera went off while I was doing my eye makeup, and I will tell you what all I did is I mixed these two color, that is the Berry Eyes and Coral Punch from the palette Lemonade Crease from Maybelline, and applied it into my crease area. And to darken up the crease line, I have used the Ice Pop color, that is the bright pink color, into my crease line. And to darken up my outer V corner, I am using the blue color from Wet n Wild, and I'm just placing it in my outer corner of my eyelid. And start blending it with the crease. And now again, by taking the Ice Pop color, that is the bright pink color, I will start blending the edges of the blue eyeshadow that we just applied. And now to cut the crease, I am again using the concealer with my angled brush. So here I am gonna apply the shadow, that is the eyeshadow, that is the Nefertiti from Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and this I am applying it with the brush all over the eyelid where we have applied the concealer. Now to darken up the outer corner more, I am using the same blue eyeshadow from Wet n Wild with the same brush, and placing it just in my outer corner. And now with the help of blending brush, I will start blending it. And now for lining my eyes, I'm using here the gel eyeliner from L'Oreal, and it's the black gel liner, and I will just apply it. As there is golden work in my dress done, so that's why I will be applying a little bit of glitter to my look. So for that I'm using here the glitter primer from NYX, and I will be applying it with this small brush. And the glitter I am using is again from Faces Canada London, and this is the stack one, which has 1 2 3 4 5 glitters, 6 glitters total. So from that I am using the golden glitter. Now as you can see, there is a lot of fallouts of that blue eyeshadow as well as of glitter, so that's why it was a nice decision to do the eye makeup first. And now let's do the base makeup. And one more thing, I will be applying the falsies, and the falsies I will be using is the pack 60, this one, and this I'm gonna apply off camera. Now we have only applied the moisturizer, and now I'm gonna apply the primer, and the primer I'm using is the Insight 3-in-1 primer in my T-zone, and spread it all over my face. For foundation, I am using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Emerald 310G. Firstly, I will be taking it right at the back of my hand, just a pump this much, and start applying it with my wet beauty blender. And now for concealer, again I'm using the same NYX Photogenic HD concealer in my usual places like under my eye area, chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. Now before blending my concealer, I like to do my contouring. So here I'm using the stick from Focalier, and it's in the shade Coffee, which I applied right below my cheekbones, my jawline and sides of my nose. And to blend my contour, I am using the fluffy angled brush. Just make a pout and start blending in the upward direction for the cheeks and downward direction for the jawlines. And now it's the time to blend the concealer, and again I'm blending it with my wet beauty blender. set the concealer, I'm using here the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder with the same beauty blender. And for bronzer, I'm using the Bronzer Kiss from Makeup Revolution London, and I'm applying it with the same angle fluffy brush. And now with the help of powder brush, I'm just brushing off the excess powder that we just applied. And I will be back after applying my falsies. So now I am back after applying my falsies, and I have also done my eyebrows. And to tightline my eyes, lower lash line and upper lash line, I am using the blue kohl pencil from Chambord, and where I am just tightlining my lower waterline. And now I am just merging the lower lash line with the same blue eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, just to give a nice smoky effect in my lower lash line. And for mascara, I am using the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline and applying it in my lower lash line. And for blush, I am using the Chambord blush stick in the shade Crimson. Yes, it's the Crimson 203. I'm just blending it with my blush brush. As it is the stick blush, so it takes a little effort to blend it properly, but it gets blended. And now for highlighter, I will be using this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Molten Rose Gold. And just apply, I will just apply it on my cheekbone, brow bone, chin, cupid's bow, tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose. And for lips, I am using the liquid lipstick from Chambord, and it's in the shade 403, which is a pretty pink color. But before applying the liquid lipstick, here I am just lining my lip with the nude lip liner. So yeah, I am done with my hairstyle. I just did a little puff at my crown area, and I'm wearing a Bahubali earrings, and you can totally skip the chain if you want. And I just feel that if I am wearing a heavy earrings, so I don't feel like wearing a neck piece, so that's why I'm just wearing this chain. And also I'm wearing a multicolor bangles. And yeah, this is the final look, and as you can see, it has turned out to be very much pretty, glamorous and bold at the same time. So yeah, this was my Rakhi special makeup tutorial, and please do comment me in the comment section below whether you like the look or not. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And if you like the look, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new video. And yeah, see you till next time. Bye.